Hello, I'm Neeraj, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today, I'm going to show you how to renew a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate installed on a Bitnami stack hosted on an Amazon Lightsail instance. Let's get started. Let's Encrypt SSL certificates expire every 90 days after creation, so you must renew them periodically. The renewal process depends on how you originally installed the certificate. First, let's identify the tool that was used to install the current certificate. Run the following command. This searches for the certificate file in the /opt/bitnami/let's encrypt and /etc/let's encrypt directories. If the file is in /opt/bitnami/let's encrypt, then it was likely installed with bncert tool or the Lego client. To verify, run this command. If the file is in /etc/let's encrypt, then it was likely installed with Certbot. To verify, run this command. Based on the identified tool, follow the relevant steps. For bncert tool or Lego, run these commands. For Certbot, complete these steps. First, check the authentication method that was used for the original install. If the authenticator value isn't manual, then run these commands to renew. If the value is manual, then manually renew and add DNS-TXT records. Run these commands. Follow the prompts to add the provided TXT records to your DNS. Before you continue, verify that they have propagated on the MX Toolbox website. After it's renewed, the successfully received certificate message will display. And now you know how to renew a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate installed on a Bitnami stack hosted on a Lightsail instance. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.